Eagles are some of the strongest and most powerful birds on Earth. They live in forests, mountains, deserts, and near rivers and lakes. Eagles love to build their nests, called eyries, high up in tall trees or rocky cliffs. Some nests are so big that they can weigh hundreds of pounds. These birds are meat eaters. They hunt fish, rabbits, snakes, and other small animals. Thanks to their super sharp eyes, eagles can spot prey from nearly 2 miles away. With a fast dive and strong talons, they catch their food with great skill. Eagles are also amazing flyers. Their wide wings help them soar high in the sky with little effort. Some eagles can even fly higher than mountains, reaching over 10,000 feet. One of the most famous eagles is the bald eagle. It is the national bird and symbol of the United States. Although it's called bald, it actually has a bright white head and tail. In many cultures, eagles represent strength, courage, and freedom. They are truly the kings of the sky. Young eagles, called eaglets, stay in their nests for several months. They grow strong and practice flying until they are ready to leave home. By hunting weaker animals, eagles help keep nature healthy and balanced. They play an important role in their ecosystems. Eagles are not just powerful, they are smart, graceful, and truly inspiring creatures.